How to connect Roborock Q Revo S to Wi-Fi? Follow these instructions. Download the Roborock app from Play Store or App Store, open it, and sign in or create a new account using your email address. Turn on your Roborock Q Revo S and make sure the Wi-Fi indicator on the vacuum is blinking blue, showing it's ready to pair. In the Roborock app, tap the plus icon to add a new device, then select Roborock Q Revo S from the list of compatible robot vacuums. Choose your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network from the list, enter your Wi-Fi password correctly, and confirm to proceed with the setup. When prompted, connect your phone to the temporary Wi-Fi network named Roborock XXXX to allow pairing between phone and robot. The app will automatically send your home Wi-Fi details to the robot, and you'll see a progress bar showing the connection status. Once the Wi-Fi light turns solid blue on the robot, the connection is complete and the robot will appear in the app ready for use. Thank you for watching.